Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Edge exhaust smell inside the car and discusses possible reasons why exhaust-related odors may be noticed within the cabin during certain driving conditions. An exhaust smell inside the vehicle is not considered normal and can be influenced by multiple factors related to the exhaust system design, sealing, ventilation, and overall vehicle condition. The way this issue presents can vary by model year, engine type, and prior maintenance, so it may not apply to every Ford Edge. Based on documented automotive service information, an exhaust smell inside the cabin may indicate that exhaust gases are not being fully contained or directed away from the passenger compartment. Potential contributing factors could be related to exhaust system sealing, components exposed to wear over time, or airflow patterns that allow odors to enter through ventilation pathways. Older generations may experience age-related component deterioration, while newer models could show different patterns depending on design updates and usage. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions generally involve a thorough inspection of the exhaust system and surrounding areas to confirm whether exhaust gases are escaping or entering the cabin. Identifying the exact source is important, as prolonged exposure to exhaust fumes inside the vehicle can affect comfort and safety. In summary, an exhaust smell inside a Ford Edge can have multiple explanations depending on vehicle age, configuration, and operating conditions. Proper diagnosis is essential to determine whether the condition is related to normal operating factors or requires corrective attention. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.